Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Bargain Bead Box because of course I am. Well, obviously it's a day ending in Y. I'm probably looking at their website. So I've actually had this for a few days, and I literally just posted that mega haul that took me over a month to post everything. So this nothing ever shows in the right order. But anyway, let's start. So the first thing I pulled out was these bicones. They have a luster. They're green and cream. I actually went through this time and went through my packing slip. I used to do that all the time, but like lately I've just been slipping a lot, and everything was involved, or everything was in this order, but one of the packets was missing a clasp, which was just like, seriously, like, how does I get it. It might take, I get it, but also like the issues that they're having, you'd think that they would double check everything. So anyway, to get off my little soapbox, the free gift this week is some clots or clamshells. Just put those in my little metal, it's not my metal drawer, but I keep all of my stringing items by color in the drawers next to me. And then I got a lot of these flowers. So some of them I got 2 of, but most of them I only got 1 pack of. I'm trying to not like buy multiples these days as much as I was before. So these are Ombre, pink and red. Can't really tell there, but they're really pretty. Goldie is incensed that I'm making another video. I just finished a huge check to stash haul that I bought. So it's kind of funny that I'm showing more check beads, but I don't think these are check. More of those flowers in purple. We've got purple and pink. Do you have to go potty? I've got some stars. So the stars are in 2 slightly different colors. So they're both white, but the finish is different. This one is a little bit more blue, and this one's a little bit more green. But they're gorgeous. And I could absolutely use them interchangeably. So pretty. I just love how soft those are. They're so sweet. Then we have some hot pink flowers. Gorgeous. There's always, like, I always have a running cart at Bargain Bead Box, but there's always like a catalyst that gets me to purchase my stuff, and I think this time it was cats. It always is cats, and I don't even, like, in real life I can't really touch cats too much because I'm super allergic, and they know that, so they like to crawl all over me. But every time I see cat beads, I have to check out with them. So I got a couple of this color, which I think is really cool. It's like almost looks like raccoon beads, but that's like a pink copper. So I got 2 sets of those. I think I got 2 sets of all the cats, actually. Oh, I'm just noticing this one's chipped. I can find some copper paint. That'll be fine. And then I got them in like a black and silver. Aren't those stupidly adorable? It's funny. Wendy, every time I tell her there are cats on Bargain Bead Box, she's like, oh, they freak me out. She thinks the cats creep her out. I think it's funny because I think that's why I like them, because they're so weird. They look so funky. It makes me laugh every time she says that. We've got some pale pink. These actually look like the beads that were in that Jessie James Beads Flamingo mix. The flowers that were in there. I don't know if they're exactly the same, but if you were looking for some of those, they might still have them on Bargain Bead Box. And these turtles, I kind of gave a sneak peek of these in one of my check glass to stash unboxing. So I think I got like 3 sets of these turtles. They're like primitive turtles. Aren't those neat? Just love them. I love them. Anything like primitive or like super simple, I'm gonna love. Plus turtles. Was never a turtle person until the last year. And actually, now that I'm looking at these, there are two different colors. So these are a little bit lighter than these. So then we have some more pale pink. These are a different color than these. Gorgeous. And then I think I got two of these because they were wild. They're like bright, bright, bright red. They've started labeling some of their beads so you can match it to your packing slip too, because some of them are so similar you can't tell what they are. But these are just so bright and I love them. I probably want to use one of them. You know, look at this. Isn't that interesting? This bead and this bead are different. Why do they do things like that? Like, are they not looking at quality control? Are all of them like that? No, all these beads are the same. They don't, I don't know if they know that they're giving out beads that are different. Like, I don't know if the listing is still in there, but like this bead is completely different from this bead. Yeah, they're close to the same color, but they're not exactly the same color. And the petals are different. Oh, I don't know if, what was it? Maybe the April or February box, maybe March, had some of those copper metal dagger beads. And I've actually stopped for the time being buying their silver beads, but I had to get these because they're amazing. Although they've said that they've changed manufacturers or sources or whatever because they were getting too much tarnish. But I just love these. I haven't seen the metal daggers anywhere else. So I got two sets of the silver. I think I got two sets of each color they had. So the first one I pulled out was the silver. This is what kind of annoyed me. It said on the packing slip that it was a 5-piece, but there are only 4 clasps. So either the listing was wrong or I don't have a clasp that I'm supposed to have. If the listing was wrong, that's fine. If I don't have a clasp, it seems like a really good way to save some money for them. Anyway, but they're really cool. I think they're like kind of sea inspired, like a fish hook or something. They had them in different colors, but that was the only one that I really wanted. More flowers. I did get one of each color and then, like I said, 2 of a couple of them because they were so vibrant. So cool. Look at that flash. These would go with the May Sam's Bead Box, no doubt. Those are really cool. And I really thought these were so cute. I hope they don't tarnish. If they do, I'll paint them because they're just so cute. I think they would look really good with some orange paint, orange patina paint on them. Which, yes, somebody told me they're discontinuing patina paint. Like, I'm devastated. I don't know what I'm going to do. They apparently had some sourcing issues, or I'm not 100% sure, but it seems like they came out with a new paint, and I'm talking about vintage. So I'll have to see if I like it. I haven't even really researched it yet, but can you believe it? It's a goldfish. It's a goldfish bead. I love it. I love it. Let's see. Next we have some large single beads. I got 2 of these. And yes, I think they waste a lot with putting all these extra baggies, but I'm sure it's easier for them to just put each one in a bag and then send it on. I don't throw them out. I reuse them. This is beautiful. It's like a pink. Gorgeous. So I got 2 of those. These were like little crystals. They had them in several colors, but I already had one of the colors. I didn't like the other one, and then I really wanted to get these because look at that. I mean, self-explanatory. They look like what I believe would be like a unicorn color mix, which is like pink, blue, and purple. Look how sparkly those are. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Too bad I don't wear earrings because I want to wear those on my head. Then we have the gold metal dagger beads. Love those. I love the weight. They're kind of hefty. I mean, they're not heavy, but they're hefty. Like they've got some weight to them. Then I have some like lemon lime sherbety looking check glass beads. These are awesome. Kind of wish I would have gotten more of those, but I wasn't sure what they would look like in person, and I really, really love them. They are so summery. Then I got some hearts. You absolutely know I have to get the hearts every time they have them. If it's a color I don't have. So these were blue Picasso with some striations. They're so awesome. So pretty. Apparently I'm doing my level best to keep the economy afloat myself. Just looking at this bead bag. My goodness. All right, so then we have the copper. These are gorgeous. These are what I wanted. I was just waiting for them to have these again because we got them in that bead box. I don't think I ever used them. I don't think I would have used them because I didn't want to use them up, but they're so cool. Next, I got some butterflies. I've seen these charms before. I have some of them, but not in this color. So cute. So sweet. I've noticed I've been using charms less and less, and I don't like that. So I need to start using charms more. I got some more of those primitive looking turtles. These are a different color green. So neat. They're like a white green with a darker green wash. Like a Kelly green wash is what I would call that. So cool. So cool. I just love beads that I haven't seen before. I love it. I say that all the time, but I look at beads a lot. So something like this definitely has to come home with me if I see it. Or come home to me, I should say. And then I got some crystals. They had these in a couple colors, I think, but I didn't. I think I already had several of the colors, so I don't think I have this crystal in this color. So they're kind of like those zebra orbs. Oh, so pretty. So gorgeous. I don't know what the heck I'd do with them, but they're amazing. My gosh, they're so cool. They're so cool. I wish somebody would just like pay me to sit and make my own jewelry all day without like filming it. Because I can go a lot faster that way. Anyway, dreams are dreams, right? Okay, so then we had these. I just love that color combo. I needed it in my life. So pretty. You know I had to grab them because it's green and turquoise. I had to do it. And then I have a couple other things here. We've got the antique bronze or antique brass daggers. This is gorgeous. Love them. They actually look really good with these. So pretty. Oh, and then some more cats. Because of course. These are a little pearlized. Isn't that cool? Those look like some sassy looking cats, don't they? Got some attitude. And then two more things. I really like this color combo lately. It's the Jet Picasso. And these are English cut Jet Picasso. Just really love that yellow with the brown and the black and the like a little bit of red. Ugh, I love it. So I got two sets of those. And then last but not least, some more flowers. Just two. So gorgeous. Copper wash, blue, and like almost like an almond. I think that's what they called it. And then this one's a little bit more almondy. I like the variation. I just love check beads, guys. Just love them. Wonder what the next obsession will be. I swing wildly between them. Anyway, let's see, what do I like the most? Gosh, there's some good stuff here. The turtles. These turtles I liked a lot. These cats. Well, obviously, like it's all the animals. These goldfish. And I think, oh, these and the daggers, the antique copper daggers. So yeah, those are my favorites. Let me know what your favorite was, maybe what you would do with some of them, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. I just turned around, and there she is, laying on her back. Cozy as a clam. Yeah, look at those little paws. So cute. Hi, Goldie. You love that bed, don't you? Yeah, you do.